and welcome to this video on AI agent protocols. Let's imagine it's 8:30 in the morning and you're having your first cup of coffee. While you're getting ready, your personal AI assistant has already rescheduled your meeting through your calendar agent, replied to a few emails via your email agent, and even negotiated a delivery update with your vendor's AI system all by itself. No waiting, no follow-ups. Just intelligent agents talking to each other in a digital language of their own. Sounds great, right? But this is exactly where technology is headed. A world powered by AI agent protocols. Today, we will break down what AI agents are, how they interact, why these protocols matter, and what makes systems like A2A, MCP, ACP, and others so important. So before we begin, please like, share and subscribe to Edureka's YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest tech content from Edureka. Also, check out Edureka's Agentic AI certification training. It is carefully crafted to meet industry demands and prepare you for the future of intelligent agents. You will gain practical skills in LangChain, RAG, LLM Ops and more through live instructor-led sessions and hands-on labs. Whether you're a beginner or a tech professional, this course helps you master the concepts and accelerate your AI career. So first things first, what exactly is an AI agent? Think of it as a digital helper that doesn't just follow commands but can understand goals, make decisions and take actions. Unlike a simple chatbot, an AI agent can observe what's happening around it, think or reason about what to do next, and act either by talking to another agent or by performing a task. For example, a customer support AI agent can understand a complaint, talk to refund processing agent, check the company's payment system, and resolve the issue without needing human help. But here's the catch. For all these smart AI agents to actually work together, they need a common language. Think about how computers talk to each other today. When you visit a website, your browser and the server don't guess what the other means. They use standard internet protocols like HTTP or TCP/IP. These rules make sure every message from your YouTube video to bank transaction is sent, received, and understood the right way. Now, imagine a world of AI agents. One built by OpenAI, another by Anthropic, another by Google, all trying to collaborate. Without a shared communication protocol, it's like having a French agent trying to talk to a Japanese agent with no translator in between. Total chaos. That's where AI agent protocols comes in. Just like humans use spoken languages, AI agents use protocols to share context, exchange information, and coordinate actions securely and consistently. These protocols define what agents can say, how they say it, and when they act on it. They make sure that when one agent says, schedule a meeting, another agent understands exactly what that means and not just the words but the intent behind them. Now, when we talk about communication, AI agents interact in three main ways. So let's make this simple. So we are going to talk about the types of interactions in agentic systems. So first on the list we have agent to agent, which is A2A. This is when two agents talk directly. For example, a travel booking agent might ask a hotel reservation agent to find available rooms. The A2A protocol defines how they share requests, responses, and confirmations. Next, we have agent to user, which is AGUI. This is when the agent talks to you, the human. Like when you chat with ChatGPT, ask Siri to set a reminder, or use Google Assistant. Here, the focus on understanding intent and making communication natural and human-friendly. Next, we have agent to resource, which is A2R. This is when an agent accesses external resources like databases, APIs, or files. For example, your AI analyst agent might pull data from a company database or a stock market API to prepare a report. These three types of interactions are the backbone of how intelligent systems think, talk, and act. Now, why protocols matter? Imagine if every company built their own agents in isolation, one using LangChain, another using Crew AI, another built on OpenAI. So if they all spoke different languages, none of them could collaborate. It would be like trying to run the internet without a standard like HTTP. Complete chaos. That's why standardized protocols are essential. They give AI agents a shared way to exchange the data and context, coordinate actions, maintain trust and transparency, and collaborate securely across systems. In short, I can say that protocols are the glue that make intelligent systems truly work together. Alright, now let's explore the 5 key protocols shaping how AI agents communicate with real examples so it's easy to visualize. So again, first on the list we have A2A, which is Agent to Agent Protocol. A2A defines how 2 or more agents talk to each other, how they share tasks, exchange results, and build trust. It sets the structure for message exchange, trust verification, and intent sharing. It's like a meeting protocol between agents. They introduce themselves, share goals, negotiate, and agree on the next step, all without human involvement. So it is used in multi-agent environments. In logistics, a delivery scheduling agent might talk to a warehouse inventory agent to confirm if products are ready before dispatching a truck. Now, think of Microsoft Copilot in Excel working together with Copilot in Outlook. One analyzes your data while the other summarizes insights in an email draft. That's A2A communication in action. Seamless collaboration between agents behind the scenes. Next on the list we have MCP, which is Model Context Protocol. This protocol allows an AI model like Cloud or GPT to securely connect to external tools like APIs and databases without manual coding. In simple terms, MCP helps AI models access real-world data safely and on demand. And it is used whenever an AI needs up-to-date or private data like financial reports, product inventories, or real-time analytics. So let's say you're a sales manager. Your AI assistant uses MCP to fetch live sales numbers from your company's CRM, checks targets, and generates insights instantly. So let's have a look at the real-world example. Anthropic's cloud models already use MCP to connect to APIs, databases, or even Google Sheets, allowing them to pull live information rather than relying only on past training data. It's what turns an AI model into a context-aware decision maker. Now comes ACP, or Agent Communication Protocol, the backbone of reasoning and goal sharing among agents. ACP defines how agents express their beliefs, intentions, and plans, essentially their thought process. It lets one agent tell another why it's doing something, what it believes in true, and what it plans to do next. And it is used in large collaborative systems where multiple agents must plan together. In a smart city, different AI agents manage traffic, energy, and emergency systems. The traffic agent might signal that it plans to reroute cars due to congestion, and the energy agent adjusts street light timings to save power in that area. So now let's have a look at the real-world example. Research lab at MIT and Stanford are experimenting with ACP-style communication to build multi-agent reasoning systems, where agents plan together instead of acting individually. This is what enables collective intelligence, agents thinking as a team. Now, what if these agents aren't all inside one company but spread across the internet? That's where ANP, or Agent Network Protocol, comes in. It's designed for peer-to-peer communication between agents across different networks or organizations, kind of like a decentralized messaging layer for AI. It is used in large distributed systems like global logistics, financial trading, or smart city networks where different companies' agents must cooperate. So imagine several hospitals using AI agents to detect disease patterns. With ANP, each hospital's agent can share anonymous insights with others, improving predictions without revealing patient data. So the real-world example is projects like Fetch AI are already using ANP-like concepts, where agents trade data and digital services securely in decentralized marketplaces. ANP is like the Internet of Agents, enabling large-scale collaboration. Finally, let's talk about AGUI, or Agent User Interface Protocol, the bridge between humans and agents. This protocol defines how agents understand and respond to human input, whether it's through text, speech, or visuals. It focuses on intent recognition, clarity, and explainability, ensuring humans always stay in control. It is used in every interface you are interacted with, like voice assistants, customer chatbots, or AI copilot in software tools. So a financial advisor AI might use AGUI principles to explain why it suggests a certain investment showing risk and returns in simple visuals. So now let us have a look at the real-world example. ChatGPT, Gemini, and Meta's AI Studio all follow AGUI-like standards, focusing on tone, clarity, and transparency to make interaction human-like. In companies like JP Morgan's, AGUI-style systems ensure AI tools explain financial advice clearly so users remain in control. I hope this is clear now. Now, let's see how all of these work together in one real-world scenario. Imagine a global e-commerce company. MCP lets its AI agent pull live inventory and customer data. A2A allows marketing and logistic agents to coordinate automatically. ACP ensures they plan campaigns and delivers in sync. ANP connects these agents securely with the partner companies worldwide. And finally, AGUI delivers the final insights to human managers through a simple dashboard. All these protocols together form a digital nervous system where every agent and every human stays connected and informed. We are entering a time when AI agents won't just live inside one app or company. They will work across platforms, industries, and even nations. Imagine healthcare agents from different hospitals sharing data securely to speed up diagnosis, or financial agents during cross-border compliance checks in seconds. That's not science fiction, it's already happening, and it's only possible because of protocols like A2A, MCP, ACP, ANP, and AGUI. They are not just technical frameworks, they are the language of intelligent collaboration. So, next time you hear about Agentic AI, remember it's not just about powerful models or automation. It's about creating a world where intelligent agents can talk, think, and work together, a world connected through these silent yet powerful AI agent protocols. They are the bridge between isolated AI systems and truly connected intelligence. And with this, we have come to an end to this video on AI agent protocols. If you enjoyed listening to this video, please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment on any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. And do look up for more videos and playlists, and subscribe to Edureka's YouTube channel to learn more. Thank you for watching and happy learning.